these Cobra here for some work. I'm gonna do a little cleanup on it, get it running right. It's not running good. It's got a little bit of a misfire and having a few issues, so we're gonna go through it. And this Whipple is the Whipple off my silver car.
So you guys know, the 3-liter Whipple on his silver car, this is what that car came with, was this exact.
I do miss you.
This is his old one, and he has not stopped talking about it since it's been gone.
She needs to come home. She needs to go to the red fire.
All right, guys, so what we have going on here, 03, obviously Oxford White Cobra, I think 30 bolt CCWs?
No.
These aren't? These are the
40s.
These are the 40s? Okay.
30 bolts are ugly. Changed my mind.
These are the newer style CCWs, still the classics. And what's going on with the car is it's running rough after that Whipple was installed. We're going to go through it, try to figure out what's wrong with it, because it's his old Whipple, his old tune from the silver car, and his car ran phenomenal. You drove it back from Michigan.
We basically took everything that was on the silver car and put it on this car.
Right, so.
Fuel. Well, actually, he didn't put the fuel. This has twin GT pumps, supposedly. It supposedly had a ported Eaton, too, which it didn't when he took the Eaton off. So the guy that he got it from is well known in the Cobra game. I'm not going to say any names, but questionable at best.
Yeah.
So.
We did not install that Whipple. It's here at the house because since that Whipple's been installed, it hasn't been essentially
right. It hasn't been running.
It's got some idle issues and some falling on its face when you're getting into it. So we're gonna figure that out, get this thing in. You guys know, like I said, we never sleep. We just got the ATF delivered for my car to get that transmission back in. We got to pull his car out, get that thing all together, and then we're gonna get this in. This is how many? 19,000.
19,000.
This car's got 19,000 miles, so we want it to run, look, and drive like a 19,000 mile Cobra. So stay tuned. This is going to be on the quick jacks here ASAP. We just got a couple little projects that we're wrapping up, and then this thing's getting into it. So guys, like you guys always do, stay tuned, follow along, throw us a like, a share. It seriously goes a long way. And we are trying to be relevant on these platforms, the 03, 04 Cobras, Mustangs in general, but primarily these cars. So
this is our wheelhouse.
This is where we're at. You guys know we love our Fox bodies. We're trying to work on. I do. We're trying to work on anything that realistically can be thrown at us.
That was made in the year 2003, 2004.
Preferably have a running horse on the front, supercharged motor on the front.
No, any Mustang.
Yeah, guys. We want to do installs. Pro chargers. Other Whipples on the 3 valves, the 2 valves, whatever we can get our hands on. But again, this is where we are. This is our comfort zone. Okay. So stay tuned. We will figure this out. We will get it back on the road, and we'll throw you guys some cool content. So it's Chris,
Ryan,
SVT Garage. Stay tuned.